A very good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about Poyampalli in Vellore district of archaeological site. In the previous session we are learned some of the archaeological sites in Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur, Keechadi and Porandal. Poyampalli is the archaeological, what and all they find out the archaeological iron artifacts along with the megalithic black and red ware pottery have been found. What is the evidence for iron smelting has come to light of the Poyampalli. The date of this culture based on what is the radiocarbon dating is 1000 BC. Next place is the Kodamannal in Erode district. It is identified with the Kodamannam at of what is the book Paditcha Pattu. More than 300 pottery inscription in Tamil Brahmani have been described there. Archaeologists have also discovered spindles, wools for making the thread from the cotton, and pieces of the cloth along with the tools, weapon, ornaments and beads, particularly is the cornelian. The menhir found at the burial site, you have learned next part, is assigned for the megalithic period. What is the megalithic monuments in Tamil Nadu? First one is the urns. The people who lived during the last stage of the New Stone Age began to follow the megalithic system of burial. According to this system, the dead body was placed in the big pot. What is the big pot? Along with the burial goods. What are things like with that person, that all the things keep in the inside of the pot. The megalithic monuments bear witness to the highly advanced state of civilization with the knowledge of iron and community living. This is the pot, this is the urns, this is a large pottery jars were used for what is the burying the death. Next one is the dolmens or megalithic tombs made of the two or more upright stone with a single stone lying across the burial site. The megalithic dolmens have found in Veera Ragavapuram village. What is the village name? Veera Ragavapuram village in Kanchipuram district, Kumaraka Marudupatti in Dindigul district and Narasingapatti in Madurai district. What is the place ma? Veera Ragavapuram village in Kanchipuram district, Kumaraka Marudupatti Dindigul district or in and in Narasingapatti in Madurai district. Next one you are going to say menhir. Already we are learned menhir. In Burton language, men means stone. Men means stone. And hair means long. Hair means long. They are monolithic pillars planted vertically in the ground in the memory of death. What is the purpose they are using? The memory of death. Menhir at the Singaraya Palayam. What is the name? Singaraya Palayam in Tirupur district and in Vembur in Theni district points in the extent of an Asian settlement along the banks of river Rupar. Menhirs are found in Narasingapatti, Madurai district, Kumarikapalayam in Kodamannal in Erode district. Kumarikapalayam and Kodamannal in Erode district. Next one, hero stone. Or you know that very well. Hero stone is a memorial stone raised in the another remembrance of the honorable death of hero in the battle or those who lost their life while defending their village from animals or enemies. In the olden days, they are going to the battle of the war, they will be dying in, they want to remembrance the honorable the death of the soldier, they give the hero stone. Hero stones are found in Mannur village near Palani, Dindigul district, Vellalan Kottai in Thuthukudi district and Puliman Kombai in Dindigul district. These all places we find out what is the stones ma? Hero stone. So now you all learn with all the things in about the Vedic culture. Are you understood, student? Okay. Last question about the next class. Thank you, student.